Alright, so for breakfast this morning, Kellen was having an Annie's organic yogurt cup, and this is in the berry patch flavor, and he was just having half of a banana with it. This was kind of a lighter breakfast than what he usually has, but he had been eating some smoothie before this and some little puffs and stuff, so he wasn't as hungry. Alright, so for breakfast today, Kellen was having half of a sliced banana and half of a toasted English muffin, and this English muffin was actually a maple French toast flavored one with a little bit of butter and a banana vanilla protein smoothie. So that is what he had for breakfast. So for a morning snack, Kellen is having half of a banana with some ground cinnamon on it. Right after breakfast, he was like pleading if he could have a banana, so I gave him. So yeah, that'll just be his morning snack, and then he'll probably go down for a nap in a couple hours. So as a morning snack before his nap time, he's going to have a Chobani Greek yogurt tots pouch, and this one is in the apple flavor, and he loves these, so, and he loves that they're the Lion King, so that is what he's going to have as a little snack. Alright, so today for a snack before his morning nap time, he was having some mini rice cakes, and that was the caramel corn flavor, and he loves those, and he just was dipping them in peanut butter, and then he was also having a vanilla banana protein smoothie left over from breakfast. So that was what he was having as a snack before nap time. Alright, so for a snack today, we are going out and about right now, running errands, and we should be out for a couple of hours, so I know he'll get hungry. So we're just packing some grapes in a little Tupperware, and we're also bringing a go-go squeeze in the apple cinnamon flavor, and then also some Annie's organic fruit snacks in berry patch. And that's just what they look like. These are probably his favorite fruit snacks. But yeah, that's what we were just taking out to run some errands. Alright, for a snack, Kellen was having some grapes. Again, sorry, there's a lot of grapes, but that's just what we had on hand for fruits this week. But we had grapes, we had kiwi cut up in a bowl together, and then also part of a croissant. So that's just what he had for a snack. Alrighty, so for lunch today, Kellen is going to have these two little like mini sliders using some biscuits. They just have mustard, some oven roasted turkey, and some Munster cheese. So he's gonna have two of those. We'll see if he eats both, but and then he's also gonna have some grapes, and to drink he's just gonna finish his bottle of water. So yep, that is what he's gonna have to eat. Is it good, little man? Is it good? Gonna lift the mustard off. You're silly. Alright, so today Kellen was having some homemade pigs in blankets, just using little mini crescent rolls, and some of the little smoky sausages, and these were the turkey sausages just because they are healthier. and then some grapes, some ketchup and mustard for dipping, a couple little pickles, and some water to drink. And he was very hungry. He kept asking for it, so that's what he had for lunch. Alright, so for dinner tonight, Kellen was having some baked cod, and it just had a lemon, butter, Italian seasoning herb sauce over it. And then and then he was also having some creamed corn along with it, and he was super hungry. So that's what he had. Oh, and to drink, he had a green juice smoothie. So that's how he kind of got his vegetables in that dish. But yeah, that's what he had for dinner.